On the behest of this petitioner, my lord, which is specifically on traps, my lord. ट्रैप के ऊपर एक PIL है, ट्रैप करती है जो EOW.
आप हैं कौन?
हम सर कर्मचारी आवास जो I am a secretary of this, my lords.
खुराफात एसोसिएशन.
No, it's not so, my lords. It is because there is one legislation specific for public servants, and that is the Prevention of Corruption Act.
Let me see your status in law. Which is your organization?
तो ये मामला है एक PIL का, पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन लगाई है. उसमें क्या पूछा जा रहा है, किस बात पे केस है, दैट इज़ इमैटेरियल. ध्यान देने वाली बात यह है कि जज साहब ने इसमें पूछा कि आप हैं कौन, हु आर यू. तो ये सवाल यूँ किसी से भी पूछा जा सकता है कि आप किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, मगर ख़ास बात यहाँ ये थी कि उन्होंने ये कहा कि आपका कानून में हैसियत क्या है. बल्कि उससे आगे एक और ये सवाल आएगा कि फिर ये सवाल पूछने के लिए क्या आप अलाउड हैं. तो जब तक इस तरह के सवालों के जवाब नहीं हैं तो PIL में नहीं जाना चाहिए, अन्यथा हो सकता है लेने के देने पड़ जाएं. आइए देखते हैं.
My lords, I have specifically
Show me that any document which demonstrates your status in law.
My lords, that for that document I'll pray time.
You have to.
Because
I will also look into it. Your status, and it may be matter with some ulterior motives. Quite possible. You first establish your status.
On my affidavit.
So you want to argue on without on first
I will
point?
not do that. I will follow the process which my lord
No.
is saying.
See, two things you have to answer.
My
Whether
lord.
you answer today or you answer some other day.
My status is that, my lords, I am specifically saying that on oath I have said in the affidavit that I am a government employee, but there is an association of these government employees and I am a secretary to that. I am elected secretary.
Now you will continue with this? All right.
I will first file bona fide the proof to this.
Raise for time. This chapter 3 weeks. It's a PIL, you have to be very careful.
I do that.